So it's Flight 509. We're located here in Spokane Valley. I wanted to bring something to Spokane that's a little bit different. We designed it so that all ages can come in and play. Anywhere from 3 years old up to the grandparents can come in, and there's something for everybody to do. So we have quite an attraction mix. You'll see that there's a big rope course right front and center that's 2 stories. Underneath that, we have arcade games. We have about 50 to 55 arcade games scattered throughout the facility. We have spin zone bumper cars, which are really fun because as you get hit, you start spinning in a circle. We have a virtual reality arena that's very interactive. You get in and you actually run to chase the person in a treadmill. We have a Ninja Warrior course that's great for kids and even adults to play in. We have a 2-story laser tag arena that has been specifically themed to Spokane. It's a 30-person laser tag arena. We have mini bowling, also known as duck pin bowling. The unique thing about that is there's about 50 different games you can play. You can build monsters, you can do selfie games, you can do just classic bowling. We have a giant soft play structure. It's called a Ballosity. The Ballosity has a triple spiral slide, and then in the middle we have a ballistics unit with a ball dump and ball cannons and a ball fountain in there. We have a full service cafe, beer, wine. We have pizzas and wings and a whole bunch of really good food. We also have a lot of gluten-free and dairy-free options for people with food allergies. And the last thing that we have is the redemption area where people win their tickets and they can go redeem for prizes. So our birthday parties are one thing that we think sets us apart and makes us unique. What we're striving for is to give the kids a great experience to make sure that they feel extremely special on their birthday, and also for the parents to have no work to do. So when you come in the door, we'll greet you, we'll take your presents. We have a party host who we call a flight attendant who will lead you to your party room that is exclusively yours to use for the party for 2 hours. The party host stays with the party the whole time. They walk you around to the different attractions you've selected, and then we have a robot that delivers the pizza into the party rooms. The kids really love that. The flight attendant will play games with the kids, and then we serve them cupcakes. The parents in the meantime are welcome to hang out in the room, go get a beer or wine, and we take care of all the work for them.